Hello friends, in this video I'll be demonstrating how to transfer photos from iPad to Mac computer. So without further ado, let's get started. First method, sync iPad with Mac. To do that, first connect your iPad with Mac by using USB cable. You'll be asked to unlock your iPad to establish the connection between iPad and your Mac computer. And then please go to Finder and then locate the iPad name in the sidebar. Click to open it. In this window, you will have general information about the iPad. We can change the backup mode. If you want, you can backup important data from your iPad to Mac computer. You also can encrypt the local backup. Here you can choose those options. By default, auto sync is on. I would recommend to keep it as it is. You can go to the other files and document menu here. However, we are going to the photos options here since we want to transfer photos from this iPad to the Mac computer. Here, please make sure that sync photos to your device from photos library or any other location is selected. Then you can sync the entire album or you can choose any specific album. You also have the option to include favorite photos and videos. Please tick the boxes if you want to include them. When you are satisfied with the setting, just click on sync. It might take some time to process. When both devices will be synchronized, open the photo library on your computer. You will find the name of your iPad in the sidebar. Click to open it. From here, you can import all the photos or you can import photos selectively. If you want to delete the photos after importing, then please tick on this box. Please do not forget to select the locations where you want to import the photos. I will be importing them in the photo libraries. And then click on this import option here. Friends, as you can see, photos have been imported to the library. Now we shall be using the second method, which is image capture software. First, connect your iPad with Mac via USB cable. Go to Launchpad. From there, open image capture application. This application comes by default with Mac. If you haven't, you can download it from online. As soon as you will open this application, you will find all the photos you have in the iPad. You can import all the photos. However, if you want to import selectively, then select them and then choose the location where you want to import the photos. Click on import. As you can see, the photos have been imported in the download folder. The third option, using AirDrop. This is probably the fastest way to import photos if you want to avoid using cables. First, please make sure that AirDrop is active in both devices. Then simply go to the Photos library or any other location from where you want to send photos from your iPad to Mac. Select the photos or file and then click on this share icon here. If AirDrop is active, then name of your device will appear here. Just press on it. Here is the picture on the computer. Friends, this is how you simply can transfer photos from your iPad to Mac. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.